How to deposit euro internationally via SWIFT on Kraken. Making a euro SWIFT deposit is a simple process. Click Deposit here. Alternatively, click Transfer here on the left. Next, select the currency you want to deposit. Kraken accepts SWIFT deposits in US dollars, euro, pounds, Canadian dollars, and Swiss francs. But take note that the SWIFT network is for international transfers. If you live in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, or the European Economic Area, we recommend using one of the domestic funding options which Kraken has available. Domestic funding options are almost always faster and have lower fees than using the SWIFT network. And keep in mind that depending on the verified residency you have in your Kraken account, not all of the currencies may be available to you. For a complete list of the available funding methods, visit our support page. For international euro deposits, click the deposit method and then select Manual Bank Transfer. Then select the Bank Frick SWIFT method. Take note of the fees and deposit limits here. It's important to note that in this example of sending funds to Bank Frick, Kraken charges a fixed fee for a SWIFT deposit. However, as the SWIFT network often requires sending deposits through multiple banks, you may be charged additional fees which Kraken has no control over. Check with your bank if it charges fees. Next, use your online banking to transfer the money. Be sure to copy the details from your account, not the details in this video. You'll then need to copy the recipient name, which is here, as well as the bank name. Next, if you choose to send the funds to Bank Frick, you'll see both the account number and the IBAN. IBAN means International Bank Account Number. It doesn't replace the regular bank account number. It's just an additional number with extra information to help overseas banks identify where the funds should be deposited. So when you send the funds from your bank account, you can send the money to either the account number or the IBAN. Take note that when you have euros selected, the account number and IBAN are only for euros. Sending any other currencies to this account number or IBAN is not possible. When you need to enter the BIC or SWIFT code, rest assured that these are two names for the same thing. Different banks and financial institutions around the world simply use different names for it. It may also be called SWIFT ID in your bank account. But again, in practice there is no difference between any of the terms. And when sending a SWIFT deposit, you will likely have to provide a destination address. This almost always means the address of the destination bank. However, if your bank also requires the registered address of Kraken, it can be found here. Most importantly, be sure to include this unique reference found in your account when sending any SWIFT deposit. And before sending the funds from your bank, be sure to check you haven't exceeded your account's daily or monthly deposit limits. And finally, money sent from another person's bank account cannot be credited. Check that the name listed in your bank account is the same as the name listed in your Kraken account. In the top right of the screen you can find settings. Here you can confirm the legal name of your personal or business account. If you have any questions about making a SWIFT deposit, reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you.